This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a clear notebook for each project, class, or client. This gives context and reduces hunting later. Once created, add sections as major buckets and pages as focused entries so organization matches how you think. Make sure to use colors and concise names for instant visual scanning. Finally, enable automatic backups and set sync preferences. This prevents data loss and keeps mobile edits current. Start now so subsequent steps work on a solid, searchable foundation. Now focus on capture and structure. Clip web pages, paste screenshots, and use audio or handwriting when faster. Once content is in, apply tags like to do or important and create 1 or 2 custom tags you actually use. Consistency matters more than quantity. Use templates for recurring meeting notes to standardize entries, and employ copy link to page when you need cross-reference without duplication. These steps create a searchable, actionable system that reduces friction when you return to work later. Finish by reviewing and turning tagged items into tasks or calendar events. This moves notes into action. Share individual pages with specific permissions rather than entire notebooks to control visibility, and use section groups for larger projects. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Force a sync, confirm available cloud storage, and reauthorize your account if sync errors persist. If a page looks corrupted, export it as a PDF or copy content to a new page before investigating further to avoid losing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.